we're going to take a walk around before the investigation, just to have a look. Apparently there's 5 floors to investigate. So for some reason I had 3 floors in my head, but yeah, we've got 5. So we're going to take a walk around and you can have a quick look. Okay.
You can move on, you know. You don't have to stay. Do you live nearby? She was asking Fredo about it. Do you live nearby? You know, I've been looking for the phone, I forgot it. Yeah.
It's just live on there, isn't it?
Right, bro.
Yeah.
Who's going to be leaving the room?
Me.
Can you say his name?
Yeah, my torch. But I couldn't walk it up for me, can I?
Can you say his name? Who's leaving? Say bye-bye. What's his name? Sorry, you can undress the chair. Who's just left the room? Person. That was so clear. Yeah, but he's got a name. We've been getting leave. Get out. That was a weird little noise. Yeah. Sounds like a sick noise. You know something sick? It does. What have I got? Come on, can you say what is Sue drinking? What have I got here? Say the last word for me. It's a bottle of